this bad boy here, this is the COMAN F38 carbon tripod. It's an absolutely wicked bit of kit. And this thing's clearly designed for people who need to be fast, light and mobile, which makes it absolutely ideal for motovlogging. Right, let's get opened up and have a look, see what's inside the box. So this is what I like about this as well. It comes in a really nice bag. It's got a nice carry handle, so that's really useful. So you can just put that straight in your backpack. Right, let's open up. Let's see what else we're getting here. So there's your plate there, and there's an extension bar. I've not used that yet. Right, let's get this bad boy opened up. I'm going to bring it a little bit close so you can all have a look. It's beautiful. It's really well made. Carbon fibre, so it's super strong as well, but lightweight. Like I just said, 1.1 kilos. It absolutely weighs nothing. But there's so much flexibility with this tripod. It does so much stuff in such a compact little package. It's a brilliant bit of kit. And I would like to say thank you actually to COMAN for sending me this, because they sent me this for free. There's no commission paid to me for this product. If you buy it, I just felt I wanted to return the favour. So they sent me this for free, and I thought, do you know what? I'm going to do COMAN a little video. So it's honestly, it's a really good bit of kit. Right, let's get it opened up and I'll show you some of the features. So there we go. So if you're on a tabletop, for example, and you want to mount your camera on the top, I find that's quite useful. I use that quite a lot. Another feature I really do like as well, it's got a hook here at the bottom, so when the tripod's fully extended, I found that useful quite a lot of times. I'll put a bag or something on here so you're not putting your bag on the wet floor. So that's a really cool little feature. Also as well, you take this out here, and then it's a handy little tool to tighten up the plate onto the camera. So that's a really useful little bit of kit. Right, what else you get? What's a really cool feature on this tripod? So this fluid head is absolutely fantastic. You can get into so many different angles when you're shooting. And another really cool feature actually is you can reverse this around. So take this all the way out and then put it in upside down and then lock it into place here. You've got your locking pin there. And then you can basically get some really cool low down shots. So if you've got, for example, I might take a low down shot of my bike riding off. So you would have your camera upside down mounted here, pointing at your bike, and you get those amazing low down shots which are really cinematic. I love them. I think they look absolutely wicked in the end video. It looked brilliant. Another feature I really like as well, you've got some little clips here on the sides. So you push them in and then you can extend and move these legs out. So if you wanted, for example, that sort of angle, pointing up or pointing down, I think that's great. There's so much flexibility. I'll put all the price in the description and where to buy it. This came from China and it was shipped on a Monday from memory, and I think I received it on the Thursday. It was super quick. It might have been Friday, so it was probably about 4 or 5 working days to arrive. So shipping is extremely quick. Right, so we've covered this head here, which I just think is brilliant. It really is. So if you can imagine, your camera's in the top here, pointing straight up, you just turn it and then you can film different angles straight away really quickly. So that's a really cool feature. I'm just going to show you the bubble as well. It's got a spirit level bubble here, so if you're on some uneven surface, you can just adjust the head how you want, and then you'll get your camera and your shot completely level. So that's a really nice little feature as well, because in the past I've been messing about with, there's an app for your iPhone that you can get, and it's a little spirit level bubble app. Put that on your camera and mess about, whereas this, it's just actually built into the fluid head itself, which is a fantastic addition. So yeah, you put this fluid head into any position that you want and then just lock it, and that's it. So it's super easy. Right, I'm going to show you how the plate works as well. I'm not going to put the camera on because I've got the camera filming right now on this other tripod. In fact, what I can do is put a Osmo Action camera on so you can get the idea how it works. So what you do, I look like a school teacher there. This is what happens when you get to my age. I'm 52 and you have to wear glasses. I don't need them for distance, but I need them for reading, so you end up doing this. And my school teacher used to do that. He used to have his glasses like this. I used to think, oh, you look a right knob. And I'm doing it. I'm doing it now. So anyway, so to get the plate on, you would just tighten it up, just finger tight. You don't want to be too tight. And then you've got this little release section here. Can you see them pins moving? So what you do is put that in. You don't need to press that, that's just to release it. And then you'll hear it click. That's it, it's in. So if you can imagine, I'd have a camera on here, but I'm going to put my Osmo Action 5 on there just to show you. So to release the plate here, so it's quick release, press this, and it just slides out. So look at that, super easy. In, it's not even a second, is it? You can probably take it on and off in a second. There we go, super, super easy. Right, I'll connect to camera and then we can have a little look in more detail. Clicks into place. You're in this position now and then you think, right, I want to get some vertical shots for TikTok or for, you know, some YouTube shorts. Put it into position there, lock it, and that's it, you're filming. Right, let's get the legs open all the way. It's super, super stable, but it's just so good if you're into, you know, photography or videography and you want something on the move that's lightweight and easy to carry. This thing it just ticks all the boxes. It does for me, and I'm pretty sure you'll be happy with this as well. So there you go, that's the tripod extended to the full height, and then you've still got some movement on the top as well, so that'll extend up a little bit further as well. And another fantastic feature as well of this is this fluid head. So it's super, super easy to transition from right to left with a really, really smooth pan. That is super, super smooth. So you can adjust it to be a little bit loose, so you can move it a little bit more freely, or just tighten this up a little bit, just to notch up the resistance inside. And then you've got this really smooth panning for transitional shots from right to left. And the quick release plate as well, press the button here, comes out. It's super, super quick. And same with going back in, that's it, and it's locked in place. I think if I was to pick one feature that I really, really do use a lot, and that is this fluid, this motion head. So you've got an adjustable lever here, that'll just open so you can maneuver it around and then lock it into whatever position you want. But like I say, for quick sort of shots on YouTube or TikTok, if you want to film like that in portrait, it's super, super quick. So all in all, it's a fantastic bit of kit, it really is. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a really good quality, mobile, user-friendly, lightweight and strong tripod, I don't think you'll go far wrong with one of these. So guys, that's the COMAN F38 carbon fibre mobile tripod. It's a fantastic bit of kit. I highly recommend it, and it's definitely going to be staying in my kit for 2026. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you all very soon on the next video.